Perched above the river Aare, commanding the heart of Bern, stands a symbol that is less a seat of government and more a symbol of a nation's soul. This is Bundeshaus, the federal palace of Switzerland. Finished in 1902 after decades of ambition, it was built to embody something rare, a democracy that belongs to its people. Its copper dome, now weathered to a distinguished green, isn't just decoration, it's a crown, worn by a country that values stability and unity above all else. Every figure carved into the stone, every flourishing of the facade, tells a story of independence and resilience. Above the entrance, in Latin, the words Curia Confederationis Helvetica, the House of the Swiss Confederation, a reminder that this building is not for kings or emperors, but for citizens. From here, the parliamentarians from all 26 cantons gather under one roof. They come from valleys, mountains, and cities, voices as diverse as the landscapes of Switzerland. Yet here their task is singular, to govern in unity. Step out of the Bundesstrasse and you're greeted by sweeping views over the Aare Gorge. On a clear day, the Alps stand proud on the horizon. It is here that the architecture meets theatre, a deliberate gesture, opening the halls of power to the people, and reminding leaders of the grandeur and the fragility of what they protect. Inside, beneath the soaring 33-metre dome, stained glass and murals celebrate Swiss heritage. The coats of arms in every canton encircle the chamber, a visual reminder that Switzerland democracy is not centralized, it is shared, distributed, allied in every corner of the country. The Bundeshaus is not an ostentatious nor aloof. It is dignified, confident, and welcoming. A building that quietly proclaims, "Here lies the beating heart of the nation," steadfast in its neutrality, and unshaken in its belief in the power of its people. Thank you for watching this video. If you got this far, please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks.